Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma attended the launch of PROBITES, a probiotic health food developed by St. Anthony's College Centre for Entrepreneurship, Innovation and Incubation, alumni, and the Future Founders Felicitation in Shillong. The CM used the event, organized with PRIME Meghalaya, to outline the state's economic vision, which targets a $10 billion GSDP by 2028, up from $6.6 billion today, stressing that this growth must be inclusive, covering housing, healthcare, and connectivity.
And I realized that there was no support. There was no ecosystem that helped entrepreneurs who desire to move forward. Not even somebody there to ask you, is everything okay? Not even that person was there in 1999. And therefore, when we came to the government in 2018, I was very clear in my mind that if there's one thing that I want to push forward for the youth, it's going to be entrepreneurship. And that's when we started the PRIME program. And our idea really is to be able to provide that ecosystem. Youngsters are keen to take that risk. And I'll tell you, if you're going to take the risk, this is a time to take that risk. You can't take the risk after 10, 15 years when you have families, when you have kids, you all tend to not take risks. So when we come to entrepreneurship, somehow the mindset has not been correct for us as a state, as a country. We wait for people, post 25 years, 30 years and 40 years to start a business. The youngsters at the age of 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, if you want to start a business, if you want to take the risk, that is the time you take the risk. And sadly, we don't have that ecosystem in our state and our country to be able to provide that kind of a ecosystem for the youths to take that risk. And that is why we started PRIME. And that's why we're having programs like these. And that's why I'm here for the last 2 hours talking to you. Because I believe in this. I believe that if the Meghalaya state, if our state needs to move forward, this is one of the most important pillars. The youth and the entrepreneurship programs is one of the most important pillars for us. And that is why I am extremely happy, extremely satisfied when I see the kind of ecosystem that's coming up. You're allowing the youth to engage, you're allowing them to take that risk, you're allowing them to do the things that they believe in, that they think is right. And that whole energy of entrepreneurship and wanting that enterprise to be there is what I want our youth, not just from Meghalaya, from the entire Northeast to have.
He highlighted the importance of entrepreneurship, noting that programs like PRIME have incubated around 300 startups and distributed 38 crore rupees in funding, and emphasized sectoral achievements including the tripling of the state budget and the expansion of women's self-help groups from 5,800 to 51,000. Underscoring the government's commitment to creating a supportive entrepreneurial ecosystem for the youth. News Desk, Hub News.
Oy Sangbo, chaani ko apsan tochi jo thai na skang Sangbo. Yan nang ni BNB mangna aruan sini samtang na namja. Anda kapat hoko chaani chi dengtang sabis ko manama. Yan da kapat horang ko basa ko ba di jakal na paltaya, soegala, arunala rango pakegala. Nevadaude, ruko, ya repurpose use cooking oil ni skimo, ya toko biodiesel tari nagta jakalgen. Unigaman, Sangbo, antang ni BNB mang, arunang ni samtang ko name rakibo.